creators get money from it, and it stops at the end of this year. Okay, so
We are live now. Just realized that my microphone was off. I've been saying stuff the entire time. Yeah, I'm gonna try and turn on. Have this running right now. So okay, oh, it's done. Okay. So I think first we need to do IP link. And also, yeah, you can watch this later. I'm never gonna private this thing. There's a playlist on my channel if you want to go check that out. Um, but yeah, this stream is gonna be a lot shorter than normal just because uh, I actually really don't know myself, but yeah, it's gonna be shorter than we normally do. I'm just gonna set up the basics today, and yeah, usually private the first 2 days because they might not be good, but I don't know. I'll probably have to mark them. I'll put like this just marking, but then it's the first prototype. So yeah, I guess I can do what I did. I don't know. I'm gonna do something with that, but anyway, now let's do the second part. It's gonna be Pac-Man minus SY. Like I said, synchronizing package databases is like professional hacking or something. I don't know. It just sounds cool. Pac-Man minus S W get app. It's Pac-Man contrib contrib. Okay, and then Pac-Man minus S W get arch. Wait, no, you don't need to do this anymore. We can just do W get arch by sf. Why is my keyboard not recognizing keys? .net slash arch. It's done. So now we should be able to just put sh arch. We're gonna be taking out of this like terminal menu. I don't know. We have to tell. Okay, here we go. Yeah, this is no longer like a terminal menu. Readjust my position. Move this a bit up. Okay, so now we can just click and bring my keyboard closer to me. Oh, it's so hard. So hard to type. Now it's right next to me. There we go. Oh, I just. There we go. Okay, enter. And. Do a little bit of Arabic. What if I just made in Arabic so then, like, not much of the population would understand? Nah, I'm like, I would appreciate guys like that. English. So this is basically what country we're in. I think we're US because I'm in the US. You can see a full list of how you can do this. You can also do this from the terminal. You don't have to do this exact thing. You can do all the steps we're doing right now from the terminal. Well, all the steps technically. You can go to do it. This is so much easier than doing it on the terminal. And trust me, I've done it on the terminal. It's so hard. You mess one thing up and then like you have to redo an entire script. And I remember once there was like a script. It was like 200 keys, and I thought I did everything correctly. Turns out that I'm pretty sure there wasn't a space between two of them, and the whole command was ruined. And I had to write 200 of different things again because I forgot to put a space. So yeah, that's why I recommend doing this menu. Auto partition that. Oh wait, wasn't the reason? Hang on. Did we have to make it larger? Perfect. I remember now though. That's perfect. We have to make it like 40 gigabytes. So we actually have to delete this. Actually, it might have been good that I said that I'm not gonna be able to do it that long because I'm feeling a bit sick right now. I'll try and go on though. It's normal for me, honestly. each have a stomach ache. Well, let's see here. OS 2.0 beta. Well, it'll be an alpha. Alpha 1. We're gonna put this on our website too. Once it's done. The first alpha. 12 gigs. Next. Create. And first of all, let's see. No viewers right now. Still no viewers. Okay. Okay. Hang on. Okay. Yeah, I just want to see there's a button. I don't know what it did. It just turned off my microphone. Okay. VDI. Fix size. We need to make this a lot larger. Like 48 bytes. Not 96. 96 is too much. Probably 62 gigabytes would be good. Create. So yeah, you're probably gonna need a 64. And we're not gonna really do much today. I do as much as I can though. So now we need to go to settings, storage. We have that of course, but let's do Arsenal's 4.5. Have they done a new release for July? They probably have. So let's actually get that. Downloads Arch Linux. They have it. Yep, they do have a new one. So torrent. They have a torrent opener. I use qBittorrent. I've used it ever since the days I did Hackintoshing. No, I don't really care. I've done this. It's a life. I'm just gonna say qBittorrent's the best. Like, it's the best one. I've tried like a couple more. Oh, this is the best one. You don't want to get anything else. Really. So qBittorrent's the best. Also, I'm not saying much, but maybe if you wanted to stream later, or someone tunes in, they should look at this part. I am doing a 20 subscriber special stream, but when he's on that tomorrow, I have to record the Friday video. Is this it? Yep. Okay, it's all done. So now I can go to here and choose a disk file, I guess. Yeah, and bonk. Okay. Start. I don't know if they've done any changes. I don't feel like they've done any changes to Arch Linux. They might have. I wonder if they have something that says like something. I don't know. Hang on. Let's see. Did they have like a list of changes? A changelog? Installation jog, mailing list. Uh, Probably would be under GitHub, or this is GitLab, but Arsenal has a GitHub, don't they? Let's see. Most things do. GitHub, yeah. GitHub. Arsenal GitHub. There we go. So, our stories. I would assume it's gonna be something like. Let's put 7.0. Nope. Overview. Arts and guided template. Okay. Oh. Oh, they have a guided installer. That's cool. You know what? Next install, we are going to try this out. Possibly even tomorrow. That looks sick. And we have a kernel panic. Yeah, that happens when you change version. So Yeah, I don't remember how to do it at the moment, so we might have to end stream now. I told you today's gonna be a short stream. Um, I want to show you how to fix this. So I think what I did was like switch to an older version and click start F12, and then we're gonna do CD-ROM, and we're gonna do copy to RAM. Yeah, so fear no panic. Yeah. I'm pretty sure that's how we fixed it last time, so I don't know why it's not working this time. Whenever you switch, I don't know why Linux does this to me. It even applies to Ubuntu now. Like it just makes. I'm looking for live CD and 405 or maybe 501. Maybe it's just. We'll see. Okay, start. Let's try and resolve troubleshoot this, and then let's begin. Just gonna click normal BIOS this time. Wait. I feel like I've seen a forum on how to fix this. So first off, let's rerun this. Up. No, I don't want a new one. This is the last restore. If this doesn't work, then I'm gonna have to figure it out before tomorrow. I was planning this series to be done by now, but everything, I feel like it's like the crazy candy curse. If you've heard computer clan, I have a curse like that. I guess stuff never works. No matter how long I do them, it never works well. Hackintoshing. It took me about a year, not because I'm not smart than it's because I literally researched. I had to research every forum to figure out how to do one computer. And now I have this computer, and I literally Hackintoshed it within like 5 minutes because I had so much knowledge on how to just one computer. Okay. Attempt. No. Arch Linux. Attempt. Wait. Maybe it's kernel panic. Maybe I put. What if kern. Yeah. This. Attempt to kill. I'm just saying at the same issue. This doesn't work. There's no file. There's no SDX at Olden. Yeah, sure, it's possible to work with that. Try adding no. Yeah, I can't find the exact one. Where is it? Maybe it's here. No. Maybe it's a new one. Send the explore new. Get the same. I had the same robot. I tried to boot with previous installed kernel on my PC was able, but when I boot, UI is getting weird. Only text left. Oh, this is Ubuntu. Why is there no Arch Linux? This is Arch Linux. Wait, hang on. This is another fix I tried once. I think I did at the beginning. Wait, hope this works. Also, I remember someone told me to change this, it might go faster, so we're gonna do that. And I think it's Benjamin, too. And what not name? I need more video memory, because why not? On account 1, enable 3D acceleration. Yeah, I think that's it. Okay, and wait, are we on the newest version? First, let's see. Yes. Okay, let's start. This works, then I think we know what to do when that happens again. And when you copy RAM. No, don't boot, no, stop. Just let me control, phew. There we go. Yeah, this is definitely how I fixed it. Yeah, that's all you really have to do. Just put 2. There's that worked very well. You know, it takes a little while sometimes. Yeah, I think they should update the kernel. Because Linux is not, it's originally didn't like the kernel. Linux is just so huge that there's not like a Linux, original Linux anymore. You can't figure out, like, some people think it's Ubuntu. Ubuntu is actually very recent. It's, I think, like 2006 it came out. That doesn't seem recent. But first of all, the Wii, which many people still have, they don't consider it old still. They just consider it like still kind of like new in a way. It's not new though. I don't know. Maybe that's just me. I just find it like I still find things to this day about the Wii that I've never known. But second of all, when you're talking about computers, first of all, science technology to go on the same. When I had to start a stream, I had to put specifically under science technology because I put in science technology and science and like space that involves space. This might be a stretch, but hear me out. It involves space. When you talk about space, you could say 12 billion years is like not 12, but like 1 billion years is a short amount of time, or like 1 million years is a short amount of time, just because in space, like 16 years like is nothing. Nothing is new. In like 16 years, nothing really major happens. So yeah, it seems like we got a lot of errors, but oh, we got an okay. I like the green a lot better than the reddish. Looks like an error. But yeah, that's what I think. And this might be a bit of a stretch. Oh, here we are. Okay, yeah, that worked. Anyway, I'm just gonna continue explaining. But also, so it's also kind of that because they're put in the same category. But also, when you're talking about technology, the first computers came out around like 1940s, maybe 1950s. And I think Linux was like one of the first ones. Linux is definitely, if not the first one, the continuation of the first computer operating systems. Linux is the core of computers, basically. So yeah, they probably have to update the kernel. Very long stretch and kinda out of this, but whatever. Let's do some quick commands and then we're gonna end up the stream. So yeah, we're just gonna get. So we get archfi.sf.net/archfi. See, okay, I did the wrong thing. Pacman -swget pacman. I always get them mixed up for some reason. Don't know why. Might just be because they're like right next to each other. Then you get archfi.sf.net /. I always forget about the backman contrib command. We have to do first. Okay, now we're ready. I say charge 5. Did you? Oh no, I didn't freeze. Phew. Okay. So yeah. Anyway, and also people think that Windows is old. Oh no, Windows is like at its average stage. Windows is its own. There's no like Windows is based off of Linux, not based off the first. Mac OS and then there's Linux. Mac OS is almost like Linux. It's like a very modified version of Linux. It only has the cores of Linux. I don't even think it has the same kernel as Linux. It just has the very basic core of Linux. It's further down than even the kernel. Has some very core thing, but they don't keep the kernel. They change the kernel, but then they take basically stuff from Linux. You could consider Mac OS Linux technically because they both based on the same core. But Linux is the original. Mac OS can just Mac OS basically just copied like a bit of Linux's homework and then changed it up a bit. Like, you know what I mean? Where it's like, hey, can I copy off of your homework? Sure, but change it up a bit so the teacher won't notice. And that's how I feel like it is with Linux and Mac OS. I think we're gonna end after doing this. Let's get to a quick point. Okay. Partition disk, and we should. I just want to get to the point where we actually install the kernel and stuff. Auto partition. Oh, you already auto partitions, didn't we? Finish that. Put FAT32 EFI. Swap. Better FS. Next. Mount. Thanks. Start largely backstrap. The LTS. And should be good after this. It might be a good time to check if there's anybody here. Refresh chat. Hopefully there is. Move this a bit. Still no views. Okay, hang on. Can you see this well? 4. Okay, now you can hopefully see it better. Okay, so I think I'm gonna go to config Arch Linux, and I'm gonna stop there for today. Anyway. Yeah, it's way shorter than normal, but I think I'm gonna end now. Didn't get any viewers today, which is kind of sad. But I mean, the past streams have gained a couple of views, so probably people have watched it after they've been done, so, I mean, whatever. Anyway, tomorrow video is coming out, and, next Monday, so I guess the Monday, I guess this Monday, I don't know at this point, whatever. So, we're going to have YWTR, next Monday. I have no idea what to say. Anyway, we're just having a YWTR soon, I'm just gonna say that. So look forward to that. I'm currently writing a script for it. I think I'm gonna finish the script, like, maybe during the 20 subscriber stream. I have no idea. Anyway, thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the stream, watching like a 30-minute stream, back after it's done, consider leaving a like. Comments are turned off. I have no idea why they're turned off. That was not my decision, and I cannot change it back. I've been trying, so sorry about that, guys. But I do have a Reddit, and I'm looking for moderators. If you want to go, you can check out my latest full video, not live stream. That's pretty much it. And if you enjoy this type of content or any other content, maybe watching one of my videos, consider subscribing. Helps a lot. And even if you don't, it just, yeah. If you like it, if you don't like it, you do you. I understand. Maybe you can just maybe leave a comment saying what I should improve on. That'd be nice. Anyway, bye.